Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is one of the most famous books about success and wealth. Hill spent 25 years researching and studying successful people, including Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, and Thomas Edison. He wanted to find the secret to their success. His research showed that success is not just about money. It is about achieving goals and dreams. Hill discovered 13 principles that can help anyone become successful. These principles are based on a strong mindset, self-discipline, and continuous effort. 1. Desire. The starting point of all success. The first step to success is having a strong desire. You must know exactly what you want and believe that you can achieve it. Your goal should be clear and specific. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be rich," say, "I want to earn $1 million in 5 years." Write down your goal and read it every day. This will help you stay focused and motivated. 2. Faith. Believing in yourself. Faith means having confidence in your ability to succeed. Hill says that our thoughts shape our reality. If you believe in yourself, you will take action and achieve your goals. A powerful technique to build faith is affirmations. If you tell yourself every day, "I will succeed," your mind will believe it. Confidence will help you overcome challenges and keep moving forward. 3. Autosuggestion. Training your mind. Autosuggestion is the practice of repeating your goals and dreams every day. This technique helps your subconscious mind focus on success. For example, if you want to start a business, say every morning, "I will create a successful business." When you repeat something often, your brain starts believing it, and you will naturally take action toward your goal. 4. Specialized knowledge. Learning the right skills. Success requires knowledge, but not general knowledge. You must learn specific skills related to your goal. For example, if you want to be a great chef, study everything about cooking. If you want to be rich, learn about business and finance. If you want to be a professional athlete, train every day and learn from experts. Having knowledge alone is not enough. You must also use it wisely and apply it in real life. 5. Imagination. Creating new ideas. Imagination is important for success. Many great people became rich because they had unique ideas. Think creatively and find new ways to solve problems. If you can imagine something, you can achieve it. The world is full of opportunities, and those who think outside the box are often the most successful. 6. Organized planning. Taking action. A goal without a plan is just a wish. You must create a clear plan and take action. Steps to create an effective plan. Write down your goal. Identify the steps you need to take. Set deadlines for each step. Take action every day. If your plan does not work, change it, but never give up. 7. Decision. Being confident. Successful people make decisions quickly and do not change them often. If you want to succeed, be confident in your choices and do not let others control your decisions. Indecisiveness leads to failure. Train yourself to make decisions and trust your instincts. 8. Persistence. Never giving up. Many people fail because they give up too soon. If you want success, you must keep going even when things get difficult. Thomas Edison failed over 10,000 times before he invented the light bulb. He did not see failure as the end. He saw it as part of the journey. If you keep working towards your goal, success is guaranteed. 9. Power of the mastermind. Working with others. Hill says that surrounding yourself with smart and positive people is important. A mastermind group is a team of people who help each other succeed. For example, Successful business people often have mentors and advisors. Being around motivated and intelligent people will inspire you to grow and improve. 10. The mystery of sex transmutation. Using your energy wisely. Hill talks about using energy in a productive way. Instead of wasting energy, focus it on your goals. Many successful people turn their passion into motivation for success. When you use your energy to build something great, you will achieve amazing results. 11. The subconscious mind. Controlling your thoughts. Your subconscious mind affects your actions. If you always think about success, your mind will help you find ways to succeed. If you think negatively, you will face more problems. Train your subconscious mind by thinking positively, avoiding negative influences, repeating your goals daily. 12. The brain, a tool for success. Hill believes that the brain is like a powerful radio. It can send and receive thoughts. When you think about success, you attract success. When you think about failure, you attract failure. This is known as the law of attraction. 13. The sixth sense. Trusting your instincts. The final principle is about intuition. Hill says that successful people develop a strong sixth sense. This means they can make the right decisions without always knowing why. They trust their instincts, which are shaped by their experience and knowledge. Conclusion: the secret of success. Napoleon Hill says there is a secret to success hidden in the book. He does not say it directly, but he gives clues. Many readers believe the secret is, you become what you think about most of the time. If you focus on success, work hard, and never give up, you will achieve your dreams. This book teaches that success is not luck. It is a result of the right mindset, strong desire, and continuous effort. If you follow these principles, you can reach your goals and grow rich in all areas of life.